Good morning to respected parents. Welcome to our White Vegetable Festival. Myself, Adya Songre from third standard. Today I am going to give you information on the white vegetable, Safed Musli, Chlorophyllum borovilium. Safed Musli is the rare herb from India. It is used in traditional system of medicine including Ayurveda, Unani and homeopathy. It is traditionally used for cancer, diabetes, etc. and for many other things. Safed Musli contains chemical and might have effect in the body. Safed Musli fruits is possible, safe when taken by mouth in medicine amount for up to 60 days. Thank you for listening to my speech. Good morning, respected parents. Welcome to our White Vegetable Festival. Myself, Samshruti from third standard, is here to give information about wild vegetable. Ambadi sorrel leaf. Sorrel leaf is rich in antioxidants and nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and magnesium. It may support heart health and fight with cancer. Although more human research is needed, it can be used to make herbal tea. Taken as a supplement and enjoy your dishes like soup, salads and sauces. Wood is especially when they use in higher doses. Wood can cause diarrhea, nausea and skin reactions, urinary swelling, etc. Consume 20 to 30 ml of sorrel juice solution twice a day suggested by doctors. Thank you to listening to my speech patiently. Good morning parents. Warmly welcome to our white vegetable speech. I am Gargi Dubalane from standard 4th B. Which name means Gudachi Senga speech. It is widely used in Indian medicine for treating diseases, diarrhea, liver disorders, syndromes, and bleeding piles. This plant is bitter in taste. This plant roots like roots, stem, bark, and seeds of antidiuretic. Tirka are reported to be used in Indian medicine for treating diseases, diarrhea, liver disorders, and syndromes of antidiuretic. Tirka are reported to be used in Ayurveda and Unani. This plant is widely used in Ayurveda and Unani of Chinese medicine. Thank you. Good morning parents. A warm welcome to our White Vegetable Festival. I am Rakhi Rupeshani from standard 4B. Today I am going to give you a speech on wild vegetable, also known as landmark. Amaranthus species, commonly known as Spirulina amaranthus spirulina beakweed, is a plant that is native to tropical Americas, but it is present on most continents as an introduced species and sometimes a migratory weed. It can be a weed of rice cultivation in Asia. This is an arid plant. Many branches and even herbs growing up to 1.5 meters. The stem is smooth and upright. It is used as simple and organic. Thank you. Good morning dear parents. A warm welcome to our Wild Vegetable Festival. My name is Nitish Terastagi. I am studying in 4th A. Today I am going to give you information on a wild vegetable which is very famous for healthy respiratory system and to give good rhyme to voice. Its common names are glory flower, black flower, and bleeding heart. Bharangi plant leaves are used to increase appetite and also has experiential activity. Bharangi flower resembles to lotus. Bharangi was discovered by Rishi thousands of years back. Thank you.
Today I am going to give you information on wild vegetable Cassia tora. The plant is traditionally well known for treatment of conditions like hypertension, diabetes, skin disease, cough, etc. Interestingly, the genus Cassia consists of 520 species, herbs and shrubs among various. Cassia tora is ancient China herb. This bitter and salty. Cassia tora seeds had also been credited and stay in bookstore. Thank you.
Miss Barbara Khangar from 7th Second, and I am telling about the bamboo shoots. The bamboo plant is a member of the grass family. Bamboo shoots are the powerhouse of proteins, fibers, and many water minerals. Here are the reasons to eat bamboo shoots. The shoots help in boosting immunity. It contains vitamin A and zinc. Bamboo shoots strengthen the lungs and improve their functioning. The rich fiber content in date shoots can help with weight loss. Bamboo shoots can reduce bad cholesterol level. Bamboo shoots are one of the very low-calorie vegetables. Bamboo shoots are also rich in the B complex. Bamboo shoots compose excellent level of potassium. Thank you. Good morning, parents. My name is Vanda Vishal Aguskar. Today I am going to tell about Dinda vegetable. Grown abundantly in the western ghats of India, the Dinda is a low-grade shrub that often finds uses in Indian homes as a green vegetable. Dinda plants are used for various purposes of use, including medicinal purposes. Since time immemorial, plants are an integral part of traditional medicine. Dinda is used traditionally in various countries of the world, such as India, Malaysia, Thailand, Nepal, and Indonesia. The plant teaches as a remedy for small illnesses such as diarrhea, dysentery, diabetes, bone fracture, body ache, fever, and wound thickening. Thank you. Morning parents, a warm welcome to our Wild Vegetable Festival. I am Athangu Sawadi from Standard 4B. Today I am going to give you information on wild vegetable saffron. It is also known as white goose leaf. White goose its leaves and young shoots can be boiled and eaten as a vegetable. While its seeds are high in calcium, vitamin A, potassium, and phosphorus. The seeds used to make porridge, cakes, and fermented alcoholic beverage. Red goose leaf has been used in traditional medicines for many years. It is believed to have diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Has been used to treat conditions such as kidney stones and urinary tract infection. Thank you. Good morning, Good morning, parents. A warm welcome to our Wild Vegetable Festival. I am Sion from Standard 4B. Today I am going to give you information on wild vegetables. Chevron, it is also known as Dragon Star Crab. Dragon Star Crab is a plant species in family Araceae. Dragon Star Crab is a plant species in large genus of 170 tropicals and subtropicals tuberous plants, which include world's largest flowered anthurium. This vegetable is rich in iron, potassium, with strong antimicrobial effect. In traditional Indian medicine, it is prescribed to improve immunity and restore health. A paste of tuber is also applied to smooth and cure scabies. Thank you. Good morning, dear parents. A warm welcome to our Wild Vegetable Festival. My name is Arvika Pitardi. I am studying Standard 4th A. Today I am going to give you information on wild vegetable. Monophylla pendula is also known as eggplant bhaji. Monophylla pendula are plants that consist just of one leaf. The leaf does not possess any apical bud or a regular growing point. The leaf has main parts: leaf base, petiole, and leaf lamina. In addition, it possesses lateral outgrowths of the leaf base. The leaf lamina is traversed by prominent vesicular strands called veins. Thank you. Dear friends, a warm welcome to your Wild Vegetable Festival. My name is Aradhya Andamadeswa. I study Standard 4th A. Today I am going to give you information on how wild vegetable taro leaves is also provides housing part. Taro leaves are an excellent source of vitamin C, thus consuming food. Taro leaves are an excellent source of vitamin Information. Leaves and flowers can be are medicinal properties. To tell you information about wild vegetable Tulsi is vegetable available in the region of Maharashtra during the monsoon season. This vegetable is not cultivated, but it grows on its own during the rainy season. It has many medical properties. Thank you. My name is Rupa Satanara from Standard First. Today I am going to tell you information about wild vegetable control. These vegetables belong to the family of that it's small green and and childhood chemistry from KG class. Today I am going to tell you information about mushrooms. Mushrooms are called almi in the Marathi. They are mainly flavored vegetables that absorb all the flavors beautifully to make a tasty dish is style. Mushrooms are the rich source of fiber, proteins and antioxidants. They rich cover the serious health conditions such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Nikita Matakawa. For study class, today I am going to tell you information about Kundu. It grows rapidly while it is monsoon. You are the vegetable sentence. I am going to tell you information about elephant futia. Elephant futia is a root vegetable known for its lemon to urban food. This vegetable has raw brown skin and light purplish flesh inside along with culinary uses. Elephant yam or a range of health benefits. One of the primary benefits is its high nutritional content. It is great sources of vitamin C and vitamin B3. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sanidhi Shuprasad Uchale from 2nd standard. Today I am going to tell you about Khor Bhaji. Khor Bhaji pulses use extremely nutritious. Khor is a green leafy vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked. Not only does Khor Bhaji contains vitamin A, vitamin C and more beta-carotene. These plants also pack a healthy bunch of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating food rich in omega-3 can help prevent cardiovascular diseases like lower blood pressure, aids in weight loss, bad cholesterol, protect bones, zinc and calcium. Thank you for listening my speech. Good morning, respected parents. Welcome to our Wild Vegetable Festival. Myself, Yami, from 3rd standard. Today I am going to give you information on drumstick. The nickname Nilekatri or drumstick is known for its source of vitamin A, K and B, iron, calcium and magnesium. It helps to boost immunity and vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps to regulate blood sugar level and reduce inflammation. It also improves bone health right from the root. Bark, leaves, pods, flowers, fruits and seeds are used in extensively in traditional medicine, sweets or for external use, especially in South Asian countries. Thank you for listening my speech. Good morning to respected parents. Welcome from third standard. Today I am giving some information on white vegetable. Ambatsuka, green sorrel. Sorrel leaves are rich in antioxidants. Sorrel is a great source of antioxidants, which are beneficial compounds that protect your cells for damage by neutralizing